In this video, we are happy to present you the construction of our swimmteich that we have built 5 years ago, so in 2016. I am Ines from Teichswimmer, and I hope you like our video. Your channel for swimteichs. Nature in your garden and water that's alive. Enjoy watching. This is how our swimteich looks today after 5 years. Doesn't look like a swimteich, you know? Well, let me tell you what's significant for this kind of swimteich. As I said, we have built our swimteich 5 years ago, according to the Teichdoctor-method. What's that? There are 5 points, more or less 5 points, that are significant for a Teichdoctor-teich. What is the Teichdoctor? It's the man who invented this system to build swimteichs. Okay, so what's significant? First, this is natural water, pure natural water. And what was important for us is that you fill it once in a lifetime, and that's it. It's always there, it's always natural, you never waste water. Second, you don't need any technical support. It means you don't have any pumps, you don't need a skimmer. You can have it if you want to, but you don't need it. So there's nothing that you have to maintain or to pay for, right? So no technical support. No chemical support is third. There's no chlorine, there's no other chemical whatsoever substance in this water. So no more red eyes, itchy skin, that's all gone. What else? As I said, you don't have technical support or other stuff that you have to put into your water. So that means you don't actually have any maintaining costs. Nothing to pay for. Okay, once in a while we have to buy a landing net because I like the brailer. But that's it. No costs. How about the costs building that kind of swimteich? It's a do-it-yourself method. You have to organize everything yourself. You need helpers, and you do a lot yourself, and that's about it. So you have to pay. What do you have to pay for? You have to pay for the material that you need, and a beer for the helpers maybe. That's it. So the costs are not very high. And the last thing that's missing natural pools that you know so far, that's plants. This kind of swimteich, Teichdoctor-teich, works totally without plants. The advantage of it? You don't have to care for the plants. It's less work to maintain this kind of swimteich than to maintain a swimteich with plants. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, you might want to ask, how does the water stay clean? Purification is guaranteed by the microorganisms that are part of all natural water. The inventor of this method is a man who, an Austrian man, who built his first swimteich like this 15 years ago. In the meantime, in the last 10 years or so, he has built 500 swimteichs according to this Teichdoctor-method, and all of the clients are happy, and the water works. So I don't want to keep you waiting anymore. Enjoy watching. If you are interested in how this system works and you want to see more of the way of construction, be welcome and subscribe our channel or buy a book. You find the link underneath the video. Thank you. This is our garden before the swimteich project. First the trees had to go,
Of course, not all of them. We have laid out the size of our schwimmteich. The humus layer gets pulled off, and then we can start with the digging. That's the deep area, the conic walls, the regeneration zone. The steps, they are created by Christian with the shovel, and that's the finished size. The yellow line is the edge of the schwimmteich. A new day. It has rained all night, and first we had to pump out the water from the deep area. Today is the day of refinishing by hand and getting the curbstones set. Day 3. Today, everything is covered with fiber mats. They should overlap the edge of the schwimmteich. When this is done, the liner gets into place. The liner should be thermically welded by professionals. That's the embankment that we had to build because we didn't have a flat garden. And then eventually the deep area gets filled with water. On day 4, the double-washed gravel is delivered. And the agriculture of the schwimmteich is designed. You lay gravel bags and install drainage pipes. That's the stepping stones that mark the size of the swimming zone. Here you see our baby zone, and that's the regeneration area, already covered with gravel. On the last day, you fill up the water and design the edges, the zones between the stepping stones and the edge of the schwimmteich. Fill up with gravel. We built a terrace of wooden planks and created our steps with the stepping stones. After the inoculation, the swimming fun can start. And this is how it looks like after a year. Fall, winter, winter with snow, and the next spring.
If you want to know more about it, more of the system, more of how it can work, then buy our book. You find the link underneath our video description. Thank you.